Good morning, gentlemen. I live in Decatur, Georgia, just 7 miles down the road, right off Memorial Drive. And I'm an entrepreneur, and my business tanked because I wasn't being prudent. And I humbly admit that, and it's a tough time right now. In fact, my heater isn't working, and so my power bill is actually low right now. But I don't suggest that as a way for us to save costs to anyone. And I really want to be back on the road to financial stability really soon. I want to be a contributing American better than I have been, and I'm looking to you guys for the same thing. I understand that any cost that the Public Service Commission staff deems not to be prudent cannot by law be passed on to customers. And I honestly didn't even know y'all before this past election. Had a friend involved with with someone who was running for office for the PSC. And I was thrilled to learn that y'all existed because I was really upset that my rates kept going up and up and up. And I'm not even someone that pays that close attention to our bills, humbly speaking, which is why my business isn't working. And I had to make a decision to go a different course. And so I got involved with this election, specifically with your commission. And what I'm seeing from the testimony from Georgia Power and William Jacobs is that this project is on the path to financial failure. You know, we're seeing that the loan guarantees aren't guaranteed with negotiations from the Department of Energy. That doesn't make me feel safe. I understand that critical safety issues concerning the building of the plant are not looking good either. And you know, my father raised me to be terrified of men, and that's a different story. But you know, now that I'm looking back to trust men with in my heart, and rebuilding my life and rebuilding my business and becoming a better American, I look to this board and I don't see things that make me feel safe, and I'm really concerned with that. I see that your staff has looked at what Georgia Power's Vogtle 3 and 4 project that is behind schedule. It's over budget. It's, again, seriously lacking on basic safety elements, and my dad does not approve of that. Me living here in Georgia with that happening. We don't have a concrete plan or schedule for moving forward. And you know, these are all reasons, again, why I'm looking at 2013 to be a much different year. I have to create something new. And Albert Einstein said, we can't solve a problem at the level of thinking of which it's created. And this plant, Vogtle 3 and 4, is a big problem, and we're not going to be solving it from what I'm seeing, from the information you guys already have from Georgia Power and testimony from your staff. You know, I want to ask that you please stop the construction work in progress nuclear tax. Please put it up for referendum, let the people decide. Stop this, you know, disallow any more of this construction work in progress. Please stop this plant Vogtle, because we have to come up with better solutions. I'm very humbly before you, again, wondering how I'm going to turn things around, and it's taking a different course, and I ask you to be courageous in your thinking and standing up to lobbyists that are more interested in their profits than my bill and apparently my basic safety. And I thank you for your time.